like NC, they are saying that will be well over 35.
I think Mr. Omar Abdullah is struggling to win his seat. Forget about 35. That is why he didn't want it to contest. He lost the Lok Sabha election. And now, rather than contesting on one, he's contesting on 2 seats. That clearly shows that he himself is not confident of winning the seat. Forget about winning 35.
Good evening, viewers. Today on board we have 5 times MP from Hamirpur and ex-minister, ex-union minister Anurag Thakur ji. Welcome, Anurag ji.
Thank you.
Sir, there was one story which I did in year 2013. That was very much time when I came into media, that the VGP prince is coming to Jammu and Kashmir. Sir, now you have turned as one of the kings of the party, and you have travelled to the length and breadth of the Jammu province till now. Sir, what are the chances for BJP in this election?
I am happy to be a Karyakarta of the Bharatiya Janata Party, the world's largest party, which has done wonders in the last 10 years since we came into power in the center. Taking 25 crore people out of the multiple dimensional poverty line itself was an uphill task, and also bringing the Indian economy from 10th largest to the 5th largest. It clearly shows that Modi government has worked well, and India is the fastest growing economy today in the world. Now India need a leadership which is credible, stable and visionary. And that is what we see in Prime Minister Modi on the home front. On one hand, whereas he has abrogated the Article 370 and 35A, which has helped to cut down the militancy by 70%, and the stone pelting has come down to 0%. It clearly shows that we are working on both the fronts: economy, safety and security, and global appearance of India, and India becoming bigger and bigger on the global stage.
Sir, today, just a couple of minutes ago, Congress also released the manifesto for JNK elections, and in one of the point in which VGP mentioned that 18,000 will be given to the senior most women of the family. They have doubled the amount, that is 3,000 per month.
If you look at Himachal Pradesh, they have failed to give 1,500 rupees per month also. They have washed their hands from the election manifesto in Himachal Pradesh. Adjoining state,
Yeah.
18 months, 20 months have passed, which clearly shows Congress make fake promises and do not fulfill them. And people don't trust them now. They did it in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, and they have failed there. They promised in Karnataka and Himachal Pradesh, they could not implement the same. They wanted to give the 300 units of electricity free of cost, but rather than giving 300 units, they have taken back 125 units which the BJP government used to give free of cost. It clearly shows that they will go to any extent to make false promises. कि वायदे तो करने हैं, पूरे तो करने नहीं. To make false promises and come into power, people don't trust them. They have given enough wounds to the state of Jammu and Kashmir and people. Blunder of Nehru, which people have seen with the implementation of Article 370, has taken away 45,000 lives of Jammu and Kashmir. So people are not ready to trust National Conference and Congress again.
Sir, I'll add up one more question on this particular statement, because Umar Abdullah has said that it took VJP long time to get over with the Article 370. We are also ready for the bigger fight this time. It may take long duration, but we'll get back Article 370.
Even if majority of the leaders come a new avatar, a new life, they won't be in a position to implement 370 again. It's a history now. It has gone forever.
Sir, one more question now. I was doing interview of one of the organizational secretary of Congress, who's also the contesting candidate for the party in Vishna, Neeraj Kundan. He said that इस बार वो कहते हैं कि 50 पार, लेकिन वो 5 सीटें भी नहीं ला पाएंगे.
शायद कांग्रेस अपनी बात कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि परसों वोटिंग है
जी.
और आज शाम हो गई.
जी.
कांग्रेस के मैनिफेस्टो का कोई अता पता नहीं, राहुल गांधी जी का कोई अता पता नहीं, वोट मांगने तक आए नहीं.
जी.
कांग्रेस हथियार डाल चुकी है, कांग्रेस हार मान चुकी है, और कांग्रेस अब जनता के बीच में जाने के लिए तैयार नहीं। इनको ढूंढ के कैंडिडेट नहीं मिल पा रहे थे, लोग लड़ने के लिए तैयार नहीं थे, मजबूरी में उनको टिकटें देके चुनाव लड़ाए जा रहे हैं।
सर, बीजेपी को अगर सरकार बनानी है जम्मू कश्मीर में, द मैजिक नंबर इज 46। और अगर हम पॉलिटिक्स में बात करते हैं, विक्ट्री मैटर्स, मैथ्स मैटर एंड द नंबर मैटर्स, दैट इज 46। जो 46 का सर नंबर है वो आप कहाँ से लाएंगे?
I'll give you few examples of the state of Haryana, Tripura, where we didn't have even 4 seats. Assam, we had formed the government twice with full majority. This shows the strength of BJP is increasing with each passing day. We have the world's largest, or world's most popular leader, and we are the world's largest political party. Our work in the last 10 years in the state of Jammu Kashmir clearly shows that what Congress, NC and PDP could not deliver in 70 years, we have done that in 10 years. We have brought IIT, IIM, Triple IT, IIMC, 8 medical colleges, 15 nursing colleges, 2 central universities, and many such big institutions. Apart than that, 2 AIMS hospitals and many 4-lane highways, and now building a 6-lane expressway to Delhi, which from Katra to Delhi will be just 6 hours journey.
सर, अब आपने जैसे कहा कि बीजेपी ने जो परफॉर्म किया, दैट इज विजिबल इन ऑल दीज स्टेट्स टू फॉर्म द गवर्नमेंट और टू इंक्रीज द इंटेंसिटी। सर, इसमें जम्मू कश्मीर में अगर हम बात करते हैं, बिकॉज कश्मीर में 47 सीट्स, आफ्टर द डिलिमिटेशन द गैप हैज ब्रिज्ड डाउन टू 4 सीट्स, अर्लियर इट वाज 8 सीट्स। जो कश्मीर बेस्ड पार्टीज हैं, बिकॉज आई हैव डन द इंटरव्यूज ऑफ द मेजर लीडर्स इन कश्मीर टू बिफोर स्टार्टिंग इट इन जम्मू। सर, उनका कहना ये है कि हमारे पास जो नंबर है 47 विल, like NC, they are saying that will be well over 35.
I think Mr. Omar Abdullah is struggling to win his seat. Forget about 35. That is why he didn't want to contest. He lost the Lok Sabha election. And now rather than contesting on 1, he's contesting on 2 seats. That clearly shows that he himself is not confident of winning the seat. Forget about winning 35.
Sir, you have done 4 rallies today. Also keep it short. Since it has been tiring day for you, sir, my last question to you, that is not related to Jammu and Kashmir elections. What specific role is party going to give you once elections come up in the state of Himachal Pradesh?
See, I don't look at responsibilities, or I don't aspire to be some. Being a Bharatiya Janata Party Karyakarta itself gives me a lot of opportunities to work for the party and to win election after election for the party. I am more than happy that party has put me in the star campaigners list in Jammu and Kashmir, in the state of Haryana, and in the previous elections also. They give me a lot of opportunities to speak in the parliament as well. I have initiated the debate on the presidential address. I also spoke on the budget and also gave back replies to the Congress who were faking and giving the false narrative. So I think party has been kind enough that I'm the 5th time MP from the Hamirpur seat in Himachal Pradesh. At the same time, I played the role of National President of the Bharatiya Janata Party Youth Wing, which is BJYM. I am also former Union Minister. So what should I ask for? They have already been very kind towards me.
Thank you, sir, so much for giving
Thank
your
you.
valued time. Viewers, Mr. Anurag Thakur has made few important statements which categorically specify that BJP will play a key role after the election results. Keep following Cross News from us. Thank you.